back to Cooking with Chef and more. We are getting ready to make asparagus roasted in ghee and dressed with grated Parmesan and bacon. Y'all hungry? Let's cook. Okay, guys, the first thing we need to do is prepare our asparagus. This is going to be roasted asparagus in ghee dressed with bacon and Parmesan. We need to take off the ends of the asparagus because it's pretty woody and hard to chew and cook. So to get it even, guys, the first thing you want to do is take a small handful, stack it up nice and neat, and you're going to cut off this bottom half, about 1.5 inches right there. Take your knife and evenly cut right across it. Now don't pick it up, leave it laying right there on your cutting board and get another small handful. Stack it up and you want to lay it on the cutting board so that the tips are all even. We're going to be cutting off the bottom, and this is the way that you make them all the same size. They will cook evenly if they're the same size, as well as make for a wonderful presentation when serving. So just line it up and continue cutting off the bottom quarter of it until they're all done. After that, guys, we're going to take our asparagus and we're going to put it on a foil-lined tray. We're going to be using ghee. That's G as in goat, H as in Harry, E as in elephant, E as in elephant. It's clarified butter. It's called ghee. It's been strained and simmered until all the water has been removed. It can withstand high heat at that point, and it is delicious, as well as a healthy oil. So we're going to line up our asparagus on our foil-lined tray, again, just like we lined it up on our cutting board. And this is the ghee I'm using. What we're going to do is melt some down in the microwave, and it's about 1/4 cup, but I'll leave the ingredients in the description, and just pour it all over the asparagus. We're going to massage this ghee in. Guys, this is going to be the most amazing flavored roasted asparagus in ghee and dressed with bacon and Parmesan. Oh my goodness. Now just make sure you massage this ghee in so that it's all over the asparagus. You want to make sure all the little crevices get that ghee in it. It's going to be amazing. We're going to be roasting this in a 400 degrees Fahrenheit oven for about 25 minutes until it's crisp, tender, and done. Guys, go ahead, line it back up, because once we get it lined up, we're going to go in with our bacon and Parmesan, then get it roasted up, guys. It smells amazing already, and I haven't even roasted it. I wish you guys could smell this asparagus. Oh my goodness. Now we're dressing it with our bacon. Our asparagus already covered in ghee. Sprinkle your bacon all over it. Make sure you sprinkle it pretty even. Then we're going to go in right behind the bacon, guys, and get this asparagus dressed with our Parmesan cheese. Now, I'm just using grated Parmesan cheese, but first, I've just forgot, we need to include our black pepper seasoning. Now, this has garlic powder, black pepper, and just a little bit of salt in it. It doesn't have a high sodium content. If you don't have the kinderers, you can just simply use those 3 seasonings. Then go in with your Parmesan cheese. Make sure you sprinkle it good. Okay, guys, roast it in a 400 degree oven, and then you're done. Okay, guys, this is it. It looks amazing. And it smells even better. I've already plated it up, and this is what we have. Doesn't this look good? You can drizzle it with a little lemon at the end, and oh my goodness. I've got a couple of videos at the end of this one. Guys, be sure to check that out. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead, subscribe, and leave me a comment that you've subscribed so that I can reply right to you. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, God bless.